I want to show you what's involved. And I've got to be very, very cautious in what I tell you. You see, many years ago, I was with a radio syndicator, and I had an offer from another company, a legitimate offer from another company. And this radio syndicator didn't want me to leave because I was, frankly, the only star he had. And he did everything he could to hold on to me. And the fact was, I went into arbitration with him because it was in my contract. And after years, and I think $800,000 at the time, 3 arbitrators found in my favor. And then I left that syndicator, and the rest is history. But that's not where the legal story ends. That's just where the legal story continues. The syndicator then took the case, even though he lost in arbitration, with 3 arbitrators after 2 years. He took it to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. I'm sorry, to the U.S. District Judge. The U.S. District Court had a judge who was appointed by Barack Obama, nonetheless. And he figured, well, hey, what the heck? It's a liberal court. Savage is going to get smashed. What he didn't know is that although the woman, the judge in the district court, had been appointed by Barack Obama, and although she was an Hispanic, she basically threw them out of the courtroom because they tried to smear me in ways you could never imagine. She was appalled by it. And so they lost at the district court level. So they took it to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, the most liberal court in America, again trying to overturn the ruling of the arbitrators. That cost me another $100,000. The liberal Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals again ruled in my favor. You'd say, well, at least it's over now. No, it's not over. I want to show you what people do in this country. He then took it to the U.S. Supreme Court. Maybe he knew that they'd never hear it because they rarely hear cases that are of this small magnitude, to be very honest with you. But, you know, it's a big deal to me because it's 5 years of my life. And I don't want to talk about the sleepless nights. I don't want to talk about them. I want to talk about justice and injustice in America. And I want you to look at the ruling, Supreme Court of the United States, titled The Original Talk Radio Network, Inc. Petitioner versus Michael Savage, October 19th, 2015, United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit. July 17th, 2015 was the decision date. So on October 15th, there's a petition to the Supreme Court. On December 2nd, 2015, it is distributed for conference to the 9 Supreme Court justices. They hear it, the 9 justices read it, and yesterday, January 11th, 2016, the petition was denied, meaning my victory was upheld. Now, I'm not saying that this is tied into the news article of the very same night Grants Pass man jailed for allegedly assaulting his wife in front of their 2 children, but it's quite interesting to me that both of these events occurred on the very same day.